morning and welcome again to Edu Skills OET Made Easy. Give me some smileys, some emojis to know that you are with me. So, 17th question. In the third paragraph, what does the author suggest about the work of the international research community on this subject? So, what is the urging word in the question stem?
Third paragraph, suggest.
Okay. Beginners, definitely third paragraph. Later on, you need not think of those third paragraph once you are competent. Author suggests, that's an opinion, okay?
International research community.
Yeah, this is very, very important. Research community. International research community on this subject, okay? On a particular subject, what they are mentioning here. First option, their focus has been too narrow.
Too narrow.
Too narrow or narrow, whatever, okay. Second, studies flawed. Maybe flawed or flawed. Maybe flawed also you can say, no problem. Okay. Then there is nothing original about their nothing original. They were overly keen to seize on a particular idea. Particular idea. Okay. Now let's just go to it. Okay. Whatever it is, the idea that a future susceptibility to disease in later life could be programmed by the conditions in the womb has been taken up vigorously by the international research community. International research community. This is a subject taken by them for study, with considerable efforts concentrating on nutrient supply across the placenta as a risk factor. But that is just part of the story. How much oxygen is available to the fetus is also a determinant of growth and of the risk of adult disease. Dr. Dino Ghesani's research group of, do we need Dr. Dino Ghesani and other Cambridge University?
No, Father. No.
We are not bothered about them. We are bothered about
International research
community.
Do you find anything that need to be
Yes,
highlighted?
Father. Contrast word.
Yeah, there is a contrast word. If there is a contrast word, he is our friend. He is the greatest person who will help us and tell us answer is here, answer is here. So many questions, you see, with this strategy. But that is just, let's see whether it is right. That is just part of the story. Fetus is also a determinant of growth and of the risk of adult disease. Do you have any similarity? That is just part of the story. If you have heard that story, what is the answer?
Yeah.
Further, too narrow. The focus has been too narrow.
Yeah, focus has been too narrow. That is a clear paraphrasing of that is just part of the story. And some of their studies may be flawed. They don't say whether the study is flawed, right or wrong. They have not mentioned, right?
Yes,
They have not mentioned, evaluated the study at all. There is no evaluation of the study here. But after the contrast word, immediately they say that is just part of the story. Means the focus has been too narrow. One part of the body, one part of the story. The name, then the contrast word, the close here. Our mission is to make you fall in love with OET. If you are watching this on YouTube, kindly consider subscribing to the channel, give us a thumbs up if you like our work, and please share the link to your contacts so that we reach out to maximum number of OET aspirants, especially those who are financially struggling.